Raja Ram Mohan Roy says that New India will be guided by human reason. And I am repeating the same line, same. India as a superpower will guided by human reason. I am repeating the same line, same. This was said by Raja Ram Mohan Roy, and this is said by Awadh Ojha. I totally agree with him. Example I tell you. What a system. Such a wonderful system of India. Varna system. Not by birth, by karma. This will turn India into a superpower. Dr. Ambedkar is a Brahmin according to this system. See? A very important part of Indian culture, which gives the concept of Dvij. One birth is given by mother, other birth is given by Guru. So Narendra will become Swami Vivekanand. So if this is understood by all the Narendras of India, all the youth of India is Narendra. Suffering, depression, problem, tension. Search a Guru. You have so many Gurus in India. Sadguru is one of them. Pandit Shri Shri Ravi Shankar is the other one. Swami Algananand is the third one. Ashutosh Maharaj Divya Jyoti Jagrit Sansthan is the fourth one. There is shortage of Guru. Don't worry about real and fake. Whatever is real, fake of it is also present. You will never get a fake note of 250 rupees because there is no real of it. Ashram system. Ashram, the place where you are taught to do the labor. Or students are studying 16 hour, 15 hour quota, you see, committing suicide because they don't know how to do labor. Everything should be guided by human reason. Dhyan, a very dangerous part of Indian culture, Dhyan. "24 hours. Out of 24 hours, 23 hours your mind wants enjoyment. Where? Now, demanding enjoyment is not bad. Demanding enjoyment is not bad, but sitting for 10 hours idly, playing card 10 hours, 12 hours, 13 hours every day. This is enjoyment. Playing card is not bad. Twice in a week, thrice in a week for 1 hour, very good. And you are not watching your mind. Every day, 13, 14 hours you are playing card on the name of enjoyment. Dhyan. Watching the mind. Yoga. 20 years of age suffering from diabetes. You go to Delhi Airport, IGI, Terminal 3. When you enter, you see the poses of Surya Namaskar. Wonderful thing. 12 poses per day within 6 months will end all your diseases. See how valuable the past is. I know many parents spending thousands of rupees in giving psychological assistance to their children. Thousands of rupees as a fees and thousands of rupees as a medicine. This is what Ram Mohan Roy says. Modern India New India will be guided by human reason. This is the mantra of, this was the mantra of New India. This is the mantra of India as a superpower.